If you are comparing how much does window replacement cost in Royal Oak MI, the answer depends on frame material, glass package, labor, and whether your home needs custom sizing or historical matching. Window replacement cost in Royal Oak MI is often influenced by energy performance upgrades, removal of old frames, and installation complexity in older neighborhoods near downtown Royal Oak, Michigan, the Zoo District, Main Street, and 11 Mile Road. Affordable window replacement in Royal Oak and Oakland County, Michigan is possible when you compare detailed estimates, ask about full frame versus insert installation, and choose products that balance upfront price with long-term energy savings. The best window replacement Royal Oak MI options for homes usually depend on the age of the house, the architectural style, and how much maintenance you want to avoid. Vinyl window replacement services in Royal Oak MI are popular for homeowners who want durability, affordability, and low upkeep, while custom window replacement solutions in Royal Oak can better match historic trim, bungalow profiles, or unusual rough openings. For homeowners near city center, downtown Royal Oak, and residential streets around 13 Mile Road, selecting the best materials for replacement windows in Royal Oak, Michigan can make a major difference in curb appeal, comfort, and resale value. Signs you need window replacement in Royal Oak homes often show up as drafty rooms, condensation between panes, warped frames, difficult operation, and rising utility bills. Drafty window repair versus replacement in Royal Oak becomes a key question when seal failure, rot, or repeated air leakage starts affecting year-round comfort. Window replacement and insulation benefits in Royal Oak MI are especially noticeable in older houses, where inefficient windows can let heat escape in winter and allow unwanted heat gain in summer. Homeowners near Normandy Oaks, the Royal Oak Farmers Market, and the Woodward corridor often upgrade to reduce drafts and improve indoor temperature stability. How to choose energy efficient. Window replacement Royal Oak. MI starts with looking at U-factor, solar heat gain coefficient, air leakage ratings, and Energy Star certification. Energy Star window installation in Royal Oak MI can help lower heating and cooling costs while supporting better indoor comfort through Michigan's seasonal temperature swings. Energy-saving window replacement for homes in Royal Oak and Troy border areas is especially valuable for homes exposed to direct sun, cold winds, or heavy street noise. Thermally efficient replacement windows for Royal Oak and Huntington Woods homes can also support better overall insulation performance without sacrificing natural light. Double-pane window replacement benefits in Royal Oak, Michigan include better temperature control, improved sound reduction, and stronger energy efficiency compared with older single-pane models. Double-pane window installation in Ferndale and Royal Oak MI is a common upgrade for homeowners who want to reduce outside noise and make living spaces more comfortable. Noise-reducing replacement windows for Royal Oak homes near I-75 are a smart choice for houses affected by traffic sound, while soundproof replacement windows for Royal Oak homes near I-75 can further improve privacy and interior quiet. For homes near Woodward Avenue or downtown, insulated glass units can make a noticeable difference. Residential window replacement Royal Oak MI contractors should offer accurate measurement, clean installation, and product guidance tailored to your home's condition. Professional window measurement and installation in Royal Oak, Michigan is essential because even minor sizing errors can lead to drafts, water intrusion, or reduced efficiency. Home window replacement specialists near Main Street, Royal Oak, Michigan, and local window installers in Royal Oak, Michigan near 696 and Woodward can help ensure a precise fit. The best-rated window replacement service in Royal Oak MI and Metro Detroit will usually provide clear timelines, material comparisons, and a strong workmanship warranty. Average window replacement timeline in Royal Oak, Michigan can vary from 1 day for a small project to several days for a whole home upgrade, especially if custom units or historical matching are involved. Emergency window replacement service in Royal Oak MI near Woodward Avenue is useful when broken glass, storm damage, or security concerns require fast response. Window replacement services in downtown Royal Oak, Michigan often accommodate tighter access, parking limitations, and condo or mixed-use building requirements. Professional replacement windows for Royal Oak MI homes near city center are often planned around weather conditions and availability to reduce disruption. Historical home window replacement in Royal Oak, Michigan neighborhoods requires more than standard product selection because older homes often need period-appropriate styles, trim details, and careful installation methods. Window replacement for older homes in Royal Oak, Michigan may call for custom jambs, special dimensions, or upgraded insulated glass that preserves the home's original look. Replacement window styles for bungalow homes in Royal Oak MI are often chosen to maintain character while improving comfort, and modern window upgrades for homes in Royal Oak near 13 Mile Road can be designed to blend with classic architecture. For these projects, custom window replacement for homes near Clawson and Royal Oak often delivers the best fit. Best replacement windows for homes near Troy and Royal Oak, Michigan should be selected based on climate performance, home style, and budget. Casement window replacement services in Royal Oak, Michigan are ideal for improved ventilation and a tight seal, while awning window replacement for Michigan weather in Royal Oak can help manage rain and airflow at the same time. Low-maintenance replacement windows for Royal Oak homeowners are often preferred because they resist peeling, warping, and frequent repainting. Window replacement for ranch homes in Royal Oak, Michigan near Normandy Oaks can also benefit from larger openings and updated glass packages that improve both light and efficiency. How to compare window replacement quotes in Royal Oak comes down to more than just price, because labor, installation method, and warranty coverage all matter. Window replacement estimates in Royal Oak near the Zoo District should be reviewed carefully to confirm frame material, glass type, hardware, disposal, and ceiling details. Window replacement financing options in Royal Oak MI can make larger projects easier to manage, especially when upgrading multiple rooms at once. Local window replacement experts near downtown Royal Oak MI, window replacement contractors serving Berkeley, Royal Oak, and Madison Heights, and the window replacement company serving Royal Oak MI and nearby Oakland County suburbs can all provide competitive proposals if you request apples-to-apples comparisons. Residential window replacement in the Detroit metro area near Royal Oak is often about more than appearance, because better windows can improve comfort, efficiency, and noise control across the entire home. How to improve home efficiency with new windows in Royal Oak usually starts with selecting high-performance glass, insulated frames, and a professional installation team that understands local housing conditions. Energy-efficient window replacement near Birmingham and Royal Oak MI, vinyl replacement windows in Southfield and Royal Oak, Michigan, and window replacement services in Royal Oak and surrounding suburbs all reflect the strong demand for durable upgrades. For homeowners seeking residential window replacement near Royal Oak Farmers Market and downtown, the right solution should combine style, performance, and local expertise.